2025 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.